The advantage of choosing Johnson Law Group is that you get a team of professionals who are very focused on moving you through the case effectively and efficiently.
Some of the case types that we serve typically fall under the umbrella of family law. So divorce, with children, without children, child custody, parental responsibilities, decision-making, child support.
We also handle guardianships, protection orders in the civil realm, and a couple other tangentially related practice areas like adoption. At Johnson Law Group, we're wholeheartedly committed to Colorado families. My purpose in this business is to ensure that they have a clear path forward.
The common misconception that I hear from a lot of people when it comes to family law and divorce in particular is the idea that the woman's going to take everything, they're going to take the kids, the house. Generally speaking, in Colorado, everything is equitable.
Our system has evolved and they are receptive to some of the challenges that either side is going to experience, whether they're a man or a woman.
Colorado wants to start at 50-50, and they have to be convinced as to why they should go away from that, because the child should have contact with both parents as frequent as possible.
We're not going to control what the other party does. We can only control us. And by working with that, we can figure out where the optimal resolution is in this matter.
If we can mediate the cases for the client and guarantee them an outcome they're happy with, that's much better than rolling the dice and going to court.
When we encounter a case that should settle, we encourage it to because that's better for the parties and it's better for the children.
I don't think about father's rights, mother's rights. I focus on child's rights and how to ensure that that child can have the best of both worlds, even though they may be apart.
My goal is to make sure I address the best interests of the children. And that's a mandate from the law because the children unfortunately rarely have anyone advocating specifically for them. And so it's our job as attorneys in this particular area of the law to be mindful of those children and what is going to be in their best interest.
Divorce does not have to destroy families. We can make families whole and move on in a new way.
I think when looking for an attorney, you want to find someone who can assure you that what you're going through is not your whole life. It will come to a conclusion. And with the help of a Johnson Law Group attorney, you're going to be supported. You're going to have all the information that you need to make an educated decision about what your life is going to look like and the impact on your family, so that when you walk out of our doors, your life is better than when you first came to us, because at least you have certainty and understanding of what's expected from you and what your family and your life is going to look like.